friends, yes, it's still your girl. You're welcome back to this channel. The Kaduna State government has dismissed 223 teachers from public service for tendering fake certificates when they were employed in the service. Disclosing this to newsmen, Tijani Abdullahi, Chairman of the Kaduna State Universal Basic Education Board, KADSUBEB, at a press conference held today, Thursday, December 2nd, 2021, said the fake certificates were detected during a certificate verification exercise, which started in April 2021. Tijani Abdullahi said the major objectives of the verification exercise was to ensure that all teachers in the state have the requisite credentials that constitute the basic qualifications for employment as teachers. He pointed out that so far, the board has verified 451 certificates by contacting the institution that awarded the certificates. 9 of the 13 institutions contacted have responded. The responses from the institutions shows that 233 teachers presented fake certificates. 212 of those 233 fake certificates. The board will dismiss the 233 teachers who presented those fake certificates, while their files will be forwarded to the Ministry of Justice to initiate prosecution for forgery. The board will continue to check the integrity of the certificates presented by teachers to ensure that this critical profession is not devalued by impostors. As part of our duty of transparency, the names of the 233 teachers found to have presented fake certificates will be uploaded on the website of the Kaduna State Government today, he said. He disclosed that the state will be conducting another competency test for teachers soon. Well guys, there you have it. The Kaduna State Government has dismissed 223 teachers from public service for tendering fake certificates when they were employed in the service. Thank you all for listening to that, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your comments in the comment section below. Thank you. Bye.